What I am doing as a government is for 1 month from today, I am going to give them time to install working speed governors. If you have put speed governors out of order, which were working also previously because you wanted people to speed up, please let it be something of the past. See that your speed governors work. End of 1 month from today, that is 7th of April, there will be strict enforcement being done. There will be impounding of vehicles. There will be cancellation of permits if there are any serious violations which are done twice, even if there is no there. Strictly सांगला की हांव vehicle impound करतलो, हांव permit तेंचे cancel करतलो, and you will see the action happening.
मजगती रस्ते अपघातांत जीव गेल्ल्यांचे 33 फॅमिलीक लुकसाण भरपाई दिल्या.
All the victims, so everybody who applied had an accident or death in the family, they have been compensated by giving them 2 lakhs of rupees. We have given something like almost 6 crores, 95 lakhs, that is almost 6 crore. And now today we gave about 46 lakhs. Today we gave about 46 lakhs. See, it is not enough to compensate when there are accidents, somebody dies. It is very tragic. It was a very touching moment. I was asking each one of them, and the way, the expression on their face and what they said, they are still feeling the pain after a year and a half or 2 years.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत.